So if you're feeling a general lack of sensory adeptness in the motions right over the crown, I would go back to the 4 basic drills. So this is clockwise to me, anti-clockwise to you with my left hand, and then counterclockwise to me or clockwise to you with my left hand, and then doing the same companion drills with the right hand going over the crown. I would start with those, and then I think the 2 butterflies are the best way to really start developing. I don't really know of any other moves that hold up so well back there as these 2 butterflies, right? This is the overhand opposite, which for me, I think is the easier one, but maybe not. But there's a lot to that. I feel like there's a lot of core going on and holding you up. You have to have and if you're trying to do, I do think it's different to do this, right? You can even, like if you see it, I bet my angle, I'm not looking, but I bet my angle of my poi was like that. My head was like that, and my elbows were out. And I think the elbows being out and my head like that is what informed the angle of the poi. I mean, but we'll see if I can correct it now. Let's see what happens. So I would guess that's more vertical. And then, now the counterpart of that is, it's much easier in your lower core to hold this, because you're crunching your back down and you're crunching your neck down. When you go all the way up, it requires, I think, more lower core strength to keep it up there, in addition to all the other pieces of the form that are relevant. This is subtlety, but fundamentals are fun, and it's amazing how much they can really inform your later experiences inadvertently.